Hello everyone, Happy Republic Day. I am Ananya from class 8 of CJ International School, present here to speak on right to constitutional remedies. Father of Indian Constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, was once asked that out of these 395 articles, which one is your favorite? And he answered that Article 32 of Part 3 is the heart and soul of Indian Constitution. This is known as right to constitutional remedies. It is considered to be one of the most important fundamental right because this right is the protector of your other fundamental right. Article 32 states that any citizen can straight away approach to Supreme Court or High Court if any his or her fundamental right get entrenched. The Supreme Court, while protecting and safeguarding your fundamental right, issue an order in your favor through a writ. A writ basically means a command. Thus, the Article 32 can provide you a powerful order with an immediate effect. Thank you. Jai Hind.